Hello and welcome back to Crochet with Jane. Today's class is devoted to learn how to crochet Willow Granny Square, and let's start today's class with materials we need. So for this tutorial we need cotton yarn, 3mm hook and scissors. So if you're ready, take your hook and let's begin. Let's make a slip knot and we'll chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch into the first chain to form a major ring and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 15 double crochets into the circle. Carry on like this, and notice while I'm crocheting the round I hide a tail inside. Mostly I do it to secure my crocheting, and yep, we proceed like this. Actually, the beauty of your willow square mostly depends on the colors you choose. Okay, carry on like this and let's meet at the end of a round. We'll slip stitch there. Okay, here it is ready, and let's slip stitch into the third chain. Ready, and chain 3 for the next round. 1, 2, 3 plus 1 additional chain, and we should do double crochet into the next stitch. Actually, we alternate double crochets with a chain all the way around. Yeah, we do a double crochet and a chain. Double crochet and a chain. Carry on like this. Ready, and let's slip stitch. We'll slip stitch into the third chain. So here it is our circle, and let's change color. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1 double crochet into double crochet of the previous round, and 2 double crochet into the loop of the previous round. So 1 double crochet into next stitch and 2 double crochet into that arch, like this. And we do like this the whole round. So in the end there should be 48 double crochets. And let's slip stitch right away. As usual, we should slip stitch into the third chain. Ready. chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and stitch it with half double crochet into third double crochet of the previous round. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and stitch it with half double crochet to the third double crochet of the previous round. So all arches in this round should be crocheted into in the third double crochet of the previous round with half double crochet stitch. So next you should chain 5 and stitch it with half double crochet. Fourth arch you should chain 3 and stitch it with half double crochet to the third double crochet of the previous round. You should chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's stitch it with half double crochet. And we do it like this till the end of the round, and let's meet there. The final arch, let's chain 3 and slip stitch into the first chain. Ready. Next round we should shape the petals with double crochets. Chain 3, 4 double crochets into space from the previous round, again chain 3 and 5 double crochets into the space of the previous round. And let's stitch it with half double crochet to arch that consists of 3 and into arch that consists of 5 loops. We should chain 7 double crochets. And let's stitch it with half double crochet, and to the big arch let's chain 5 double crochets right into the space of the previous round. chain 3, five double crochets into the space of the previous round, and we do it like this till the end of the round. For your convenience, you can follow the instructions given in description to this video. There is a free pattern, and you can follow both video tutorial and written pattern, so it's up to you. We have almost completed our round, and let's stitch it with half double crochet. Let's slip stitch into the third chain. Yep, that's it. Done. Excellent. Let's start a new round. Let's change the color. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We stitch it with half double crochet. Yep. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, stitch it with half double crochet. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we stitch it with half double crochet to the fourth double crochet of the previous round. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and stitch it with double crochet. There is nothing difficult, and I have told you that you can follow the pattern and follow a video tutorial as well. Let's finish this round. Let's chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the third chain. Done. Next round. Next round, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This round almost consists of double crochets, but to form angles, we chain 3. There should be 22 double crochets on each side. Carry on like this, and let's meet on our last round. Let's finish this round together. We should crochet 3 double crochets and let's slip stitch into the third chain. The last round we completely crochet it with half double crochet according to the pattern. This round will give shape to our Willow Granny Square. And also this step is desirable but not obligatory. As always, the final step, let's slip stitch to the third chain. And yep, ready. Pull up a long loop, cut off the yarn, and that's it. We did a wonderful job. Thank you for watching. To stay in touch with me, please subscribe to my channel, watch more my videos, and see you on my next videos.